The future of AI for entrepreneurs. These tools are turning business challenges into breakthrough growth opportunities. Scaling a business is tough. Too many tasks, too little time. AI is changing that for good. Marketing overwhelm? AI now creates targeted campaigns and content in seconds, freeing you to focus on growth. Supply chain delays hurt profits. AI predicts demand and manages inventory, so you never run out or overorder. Making the right call isn't easy. Today, AI analyzes trends and helps guide smarter business decisions. Ready to build the business of tomorrow? The future is in your hands, empowered by AI. The shift from tools to systems. The future isn't more tools, it's intelligent, connected systems. In business, we relied on disconnected tools. Each one worked alone, slowing us down and creating data silos. Now, new systems connect your tools automatically, letting workflows run smoothly with little manual effort. A central AI brain brings every function together. Your sales, marketing, and operations are finally in sync. Your system learns how you work. It remembers your habits and adjusts, making every task smarter the next time. All your business knowledge, documents, plans, insights, hold together, instantly accessible and always up to date. Data now flows freely across platforms. Your CRM, email, and customer service all share what they know. Predictive AI analyzes this unified data to suggest your next move before you even ask. Teams save hours every week as repetitive tasks automate themselves, freeing minds for strategy and innovation. The era of single tools is over. The system is the new tool, an autonomous, self-learning business ecosystem. AI decision makers. These aren't just assistants, they're strategic advisors to your business. AI transforms raw data into instant, actionable insights, changing how leaders make strategic decisions. Predictive models accurately forecast sales, helping organizations anticipate demand and fine-tune their strategy. AI identifies customers likely to churn by monitoring behavior, offering real-time solutions to retain them. The future of business isn't just data-driven. It's data-predicted, powered by autonomous intelligence. AI in marketing and client acquisition. These tools can automate your entire client acquisition funnel. Struggling to find quality leads? AI can now search, filter, and prioritize potential clients in minutes. Stuck staring at a blank page? AI can suggest catchy headlines and persuasive copy instantly. Tired of underperforming ads? AI-driven design tools test what works best and beat guesswork. Low engagement rates? Personalized email sequences created by AI increase your chances of getting noticed. Confused by campaign data? AI can automatically analyze performance and give you clear, actionable next steps. No video studio? AI can turn your script into a professional marketing video right from your device. Generic websites get ignored. AI can build landing pages customized to each visitor for higher conversions. Need to reach diverse audiences? AI can instantly create ad variations for every target group. Short on time? AI can automate repetitive marketing tasks so you focus on closing deals. Want faster results? AI helps you scale your efforts and fill your pipeline around the clock. What part of your marketing will you automate first? AI and customer experience. This technology is quietly reinventing the way companies connect with their customers. Long waits and repeating the same questions. Classic customer service headaches. But now, AI is changing everything. AI chatbots handle most queries instantly, delivering quick solutions and allowing staff to help where it matters most. Live dashboards track satisfaction, showing real-time improvements as more customers get issues resolved without waiting. Freelancers use these tools too, for automating onboarding, scheduling, and client updates, all seamlessly handled by AI. AI personalizes experiences, suggesting products and answers tailored to each customer's needs, boosting satisfaction. Proactive AI support spots problems early, helping teams reach out with solutions before issues escalate. Imagine if waiting on hold was history. The era of instant, intelligent support is here. AI for productivity and operations. These tools don't just assist your workflow, they optimize every process so you can focus on what matters. Missed deadlines, lost tasks, constant catch-up, operational chaos costs real results. Here's how AI brings control back to your day. AI now auto-schedules meetings and tasks, balancing priorities across your team without the headaches of endless email chains. Manual data entry was slow and error-prone. AI captures and organizes your workflow details on the fly with zero extra effort. Complex projects become manageable as AI tracks deliverables, assigns deadlines, and updates everyone instantly when priorities shift. Forget scrambling for notes. AI automatically summarizes meetings and assigns clear action items, streamlining every follow-up. Email overload. AI sorts, prioritizes, and responds to messages, ensuring you never miss what's truly important. Live progress tracking means the whole team sees updates instantly. Everyone knows what's done and what still needs attention. AI learns your patterns and adapts schedules around your real life, saving time even when you're not at your desk. Ready to let your operations run themselves? The age of manual management is ending, and you're in control. AI finance and business management. These tools are turning financial data into your most powerful strategic asset. Managing finances used to be about tracking the past. Today, AI helps you see what's coming next. AI automates bookkeeping, saving hours each week and drastically reducing manual mistakes. Intelligent analysis uncovers hidden patterns, flagging expenses before they become problems. With predictive forecasting, businesses adjust quickly, capitalizing on trends before competitors even notice. The future of business isn't just about data, it's about smarter decisions powered by prediction. The future, autonomous micro-businesses. The one-person company is about to become a one-person empire. Running a business used to require a team. Now, one person and connected AI can do what 20 once did. AI systems handle software development. Code is written, tested, and deployed with near-zero human intervention. Marketing is no longer guesswork. AI agents design, launch, and optimize campaigns automatically to target ideal audiences. Customer questions are answered instantly. AI-powered agents deliver support, troubleshoot problems, and keep clients satisfied around the clock. Finance and accounting run on autopilot. AI tracks expenses, generates invoices, and provides real-time insights into business health. AI assistants automate scheduling, communications, and workflow management. Every process is synchronized and updated without delay. Each AI agent specializes in a different function, cooperating seamlessly, all reporting to you, the entrepreneur. All key metrics are monitored in real time by your digital team, freeing your mind to focus on growth and vision. The entrepreneur of the future manages a team of AI specialists. Are you ready to lead your digital team? The next wave of entrepreneurship, where your business learns, adapts, and scales faster than ever before. Many entrepreneurs feel overwhelmed by endless tasks and fierce competition. But there's a smarter way forward with AI. Automate repetitive work and free up your team's time for creative growth. AI handles the busy work seamlessly. Predict business trends before they happen. AI analyzes your data to help you make smarter decisions faster. Deliver instant, personalized experiences. AI anticipates customer needs, building loyalty and driving real results. Scale your business operations with AI that adapts in real time. Growth is no longer limited by manual processes. Go from slow planning to instant solutions. AI-driven insights let you seize every opportunity before your competitors. Now is your chance. The entrepreneurs who harness AI today will lead tomorrow's success. Will you be one of them?